In this step-by-step guide, you'll learn how to convert any M4B file to MP3 format using MiConvert's free online converter. Step 1. Open Google and type M4B to MP3 MiConvert. Click the first search result to open the converter page. Step 2. You should now see the M4B to MP3 converter page. Everything you need is right here on one page. Step 3. Click Choose File. Find your M4B file in the file browser, select it, and click Open to upload it. Step 4. Your file is now uploaded. Review the details shown on screen, then click Convert Now to start converting. Step 5. Wait for the conversion to finish. The progress bar shows how much is done. It won't take long. Final step. Click the Download button to save your converted MP3 file. That's the entire process, simple and free. You've just converted M4B to MP3 in under a minute. Visit MiConvert.com for more tools. Subscribe for more guides.